days. 8 days before I travel here. And today I want to get to the market. I want to get some food stuff, and so I can start, drying them. And I'm supposed to get to Lagos Island as well, but I don't think I'll be able to do both of them today because I'm moving from home. So I'll do Igbo first. Then, if there's still time to get to Lagos Island, I'm definitely going to do that. But getting to Igbo is like really important. I have to do that today. I'm here to make my hair. I think that's about things I have to do. I also have some other things I want to put in place before I'm going to do that, before the week runs out.
I couldn't have done this on my own without the help of my mom. Thankfully, she was there every step of the way. From the pricing to the quality of things that I got, all thanks to my mom. It was not easy, and things were so pricey. Things were expensive, especially with the effect of the new Naira note. Man, it was not easy. Some of these women didn't want transfer. They were all requesting for cash. Cash? Where do they want me to see cash? So before we began any negotiation, we made them to understand that it was transfer we were doing and no cash. And to my surprise, majority of them accepted. I mean, who wouldn't accept? They want to make sales. So definitely they had to accept. So it was a success. And we got home, we began to dry some of the fish, especially so they don't get spoiled, since I would not be in Mowe before I leave for the airport. It was like I had an agreement with the sun. It was in my favor all through this period. I was so joyful.
Hi guys, so I'm showing you what I got from the market here. So what's inside the light of different. Okay. So this is some dry capacity. It's already packed. Stockfish. Stockfish. I come more malam fish. This is malam fish. This is not the good. Dry fish, assorted, pepper soup, spice.
Crayfish, the big crayfish. This one is small crayfish.
Shea butter. And this is blended charcoal.
This is fish as well, dried fish.
This is cassava flour, granules. I also have egusi, grounded egusi, dried yellow pepper. Yeah. If I get the fresh one and start drying it, it will not get dry before I travel. Amala.
This is plantain flour.
Tatashi. Ogono. Then there's some other items like iru, I'll find them, yeah. So guys, this was what I was able to get.
Nutmeg.
Okay, so that's it for today. And I'm hungry. Come on, cooking them for me. Yeah? It's been nice, yeah?
This was one of the days I was in Lagos to collect cash. I had to be here as early as possible because I heard they were giving numbers, and if you don't come as early as possible, you will not get an early number. And if you don't get an early number, no cash for you. So I was here as early as 5:30, 6. I was there as early as 6 a.m. Guys, look at the queue. Even at that, before I was able to get cash, before it got to my turn, it was around 5 in the evening. And the money I was able to get was 10,000 naira. For that whole day I sat down here, it was not easy. This was me here receiving pap. Are you surprised? Nah, don't be. I can see pap. I did this a lot while growing up. Look at me now. Look at me with skills. Housewife material, 2,000 yards. Guys, it's not easy, but the accolades still goes to Mom Sido.
Hi guys, it's 6 days before I travel, and today I'm heading to Lagos Island Market. I'm going to miss the market so much. Those of you that know knows, I am going to miss the market so much. Yeah, so I'm just going to get a few items there because I don't really want to go with plenty things here. So just a few things and back ASAP.
I'll miss this market so much. In a week at least, I visit this market thrice in a week. Yes, so guys, this was the few things I was able to get: ring light, extensions, shampoo and conditioner, wig caps, a few other things. Yeah,
so guys, I also got Crocs. Yeah, that's because I don't want to wear sneakers. I just feel like I might not be comfortable all through the journey. Yeah, it's a 6+ hours flight, and I don't want to get uncomfortable. Tell these guys. So if you need any of these, you can just let me know. You know, I sell and I deliver. So anyway, yeah. Hi guys. I'm so tired right now. Yeah, I'm trying to put my things together, especially my clothes, because I have lots of clothes. And okay, this one's right here. Okay, this one's right here. I've not really worn them, yeah. And this one, I think I've worn this one like once. Some I've not even worn at all. And I have these ones behind me that I've worn, and oh yeah, that's still in good condition. And Momsi was actually telling me to take these clothes to Aswani market or Yaba market and sell them. I mean, yeah, right. I'm going to sell them for good prices because they're actually like new. Yeah, but hey, I don't know. Maybe that's what I'm going to do last because I need money. So I'm just trying to like sort them out. You know, not the ones I'll bring along with me, the ones I'll give out. I don't know if I'm going to. I'm thinking I should cargo some of them because I want to focus on food. I want to focus on food. I've got a lot of food stuff to bring along with me, and 23 kg will not be enough for them. Yeah, so I think I'll be able to sort out 2 bags. Yeah, and I have that one over there, and I still have this behind me. So this is weighing about 9 kg. This about 9.7 kg. I'm using this light bag so I can manage space. So tired. So this right here is my hand luggage. Yeah. Oh, and this, I don't know. I said I was going to cargo some things because I want to focus majorly on food stuff. So after I do 23 kg, then the other 23 kg, I'm going to stock it up with the other food stuff, and whatever space is left, and I can just fill it in with some things I know that okay, I need them ASAP while I cargo the rest. Yeah, I think I'll just do that. Hi guys. Yeah, so it's 25th of February, Saturday morning. Yeah, and I have a few things to do today. I need to have some weeks to revamp. I need to make anti-fevers air, then pack my bags, make sure everything is in order. I have my documents printed out. I have that ready. I just have to get set because I'll be leaving Mowe for Lagos tomorrow, God's willing. Yeah, and so I don't want it to get to rushing her and I forget something. That's why I want to do all I have to do today. Then I'll take a few hours to rest, then maybe stroll out a bit. Yeah, there's still time for me to do all of that. Top of the morning to you all. Good morning, Nigeria. Hi guys. So today is Sunday, the 26th of February. Yeah, today is the day I get to leave Mowe for Lagos. Oh, it's 2 days before I leave Lagos, Nigeria. Before I Japa, man. I'm so excited, guys. So I am almost I'm almost like set. Yeah, I've packed my food stuff, not in the bag actually, but I have them packed in this transparent nylon. My bags are 90% ready, and myself, I don't know. Because I'll be making my hair in Lagos. When I get to Lagos tomorrow, I'll be making my hair, and then so
at this point, my mind and soul was no longer here, but I had to make my hair, so I was on my way to Lagos Island to get hair extensions. I didn't know what was waiting for me, guys. I knew something was wrong when I got here and everywhere was scanty. I was like, no, Lagos Island cannot be this scanty. Something was wrong. And I was supposed to, my mind was telling me, go back. I said, no, I cannot go back. Go back. I said, no, I am here already. I have to get to the battlefront. I got there and shops were closed, guys. All shops were closed. I wanted to cry. Where do I get my hair extensions from? I should have gotten this thing some days back home. I was in Alaruru. I did not get it. Everywhere. I walked around the whole of this market, guys. Nobody. Even the people that managed to open their shop, guys. I begged them. They said they cannot sell. What is going on? So I said, if I cannot go forward, I can still go backward. So I had to go back to Mushin to get those hair extensions, guys. This journey was stressful for me. Seriously, it was stressful. It was a lot. But I just had to do it, because if I don't do it today, there is no way I'm going to do this again, and I'm going to leave the country with that hair. I said, no, the devil is a liar. The devil cannot win me on this one. I got on a bus and I went straight. I did not even think about it. I went straight. People were scared. Everybody was waiting for results before they can come out fully. You know how Lagos is now. You guys know how Lagos is. Lagos is not for the weak. After standing in queues for hours to get new notes, I still will not make my hair. But no, it cannot happen. So this is me here, almost at Mushin. I was thinking about a lot of things, like how do I spend the whole note with me, guys. Anyways, I got to Japa and it was not that scanty here, yeah? But some persons or people were trying to cause chaos. I said, Nibo. The devil is a liar, seriously, because they didn't allow them to open their shops. I started my hair. We were supposed to do it in the shop, but the owner of the plaza locked up his shop and said no, they should all go downstairs until the result is out. I said, okay, let's go downstairs. We started making the hair, guys. It was not easy. I was uncomfortable at a point. I was like, I can't do this, because I don't like sitting down for braids. I don't like braiding my hair. I am always on wigs. I just do my cornrows, 10, 5, I'm good to go. I wear my wigs and I good to go. But look at me sitting down for hours making braids, braiding my hair, and it was not even the size of the braids. I told her, I shall say, well, no wahala, the do I've do. She finished my hair, she styled it, it was looking pretty, came out nice, guys. Whoa. So these are my bags. This is one of my food bag. That's my hand luggage. These other ones I'm going to cargo. Then yes, guys, I was so ready, so ready to leave. So this is me here showing you guys the finishing of my hair. I had to make a video of it because I wasn't able to do that at noon. And there's me with my sister in queue. Anyways, guys, I have to go now. I have a flight to catch. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.